Now that you have your flowers all picked, you're just going to lay out a piece of cardboard, a piece of paper, and then you can arrange your flowers on the piece of paper. And a tip that I like to have is when you have only the flower, like you can see me arranging the petals there, you want the stem to face upwards just because they press more naturally that way. And you can see that I'm putting another piece of paper. You can see that I am pressing it kind of lightly and then putting a piece of cardboard on it. Now that you have your flowers arranged, you want to get some heavy photo albums or books and place those over the flower sandwich. So now that your pressed flowers have pressed, open it up and see what you have. And you can see that I have some leaves, I have some buttercups, which they press so nicely. And this can be a great card for your teachers or friends, and I am doing this for my teachers. You are just going to arrange them on your card, and I have my blank card prepared and I wrote the name of my teacher on it. So now you can just take some flowers, and I recommend using tweezers because honestly they work out way better, but if you don't have a pair of tweezers, that's totally okay too. So now you can see that I'm getting some flowers and I'm putting it on the card. And the other thing that you're going to need will be glue, and I just have some Gorilla Glue. And this is a great card or a gift idea for any teacher. Everyone will be so happy to receive it. It's honestly really, really pretty too. And now you can see that I have arranged my flowers, and I'm taking some glue. Again, I have Gorilla Glue, and I have super glue, brush, and nozzle. And you just need a little bit for each flower. You don't need that much. You can get some glue and put it on the card, and then stick your flower on it. I recommend using the glue to do smaller pieces at first and then move to bigger pieces, just because you can like prepare for the bigger pieces, like the more center part pieces, and you can warm up kind of for the big finale. You can see that I have finished most of my cards. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make flower cards.